Hi, welcome my friend. COSORI CS100 AO 12-in-1 Smart Fryer Toaster Oven. Voice control work with Alexa and Google Assistant. App control VE Sync. Digital control knob. 12 functions. Air fry, preheat, dehydrate, pizza, roast, toast, bagel, bake, broil, defrost, ferment, and keep warm. Specifications: time range 0 to 24 hours, rated power 1800 watt, power supply 120 volts, 60 hertz, temperature range 80 Fahrenheit to 450 Fahrenheit, or 27 degrees Celsius to 232 degrees Celsius. Capacity 26 quart or 25 liters, 4 slice roast, toast, 12 inches pizza. Accessories: fry basket steel and chrome plated, wire rack steel and chrome plated, food tray steel, non-stick coating. Certifications: toasters, oven, ETL listed. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.